Hi, my name is David Saylor with Mamaki USA, and today we're going to do a deep dive into how exactly to install Lintec clear films. We'll be working with Lintec's latest innovation, a scratch-resistant 2mm polyester film made entirely from 100% recycled content. If you're creating graphics for new construction, this film qualifies for LEED credits. These installation steps apply to any Lintec clear polyester film. For this demonstration, I've printed the graphic using a Mamaki UCJV 330, utilizing a color, white, color print process. The final print size is 61 inches wide by 89 inches tall. I'm here with Erik Hamel from EL Associates and John Coyne of Lintec Display Window Graphics. John, I'll turn it over to the experts.
Thanks, Dave. I'm here with Erik Hamel of EL Associates, who's been providing us with installations of Lintec films for over 17 years.
Hi, I'm Erik from EL Associates. Thank you, John, for the introduction. I've been installing Lintec film, as John mentioned, for over 17 years, and we're going to show you a nice, easy way how to come out with a nice, clean installation.
Thanks so much, Erik Hamel and John Coyne, for helping out on the video. They are truly the experts. Erik, you can tell he's been installing Lintec films for years and years, but it's easy. It's real easy to do. For more applications and more videos, go to YouTube at pgsignvideo.com. For more information on Mamaki printers, go to mamakiusa.com and click on the Contact Us link.